Hi guys, if you're interested in hearing my top 3 leave-in conditioners for natural hair, definitely keep on watching. This first leave-in conditioner that I will be talking about is an all-time fave. If you are an old subscriber, you will definitely know that this is a fave of mine. However, it is the African Pride coconut oil and baobab oil hydrate and strengthen leave-in conditioner. What I have to say about this leave-in conditioner is that it is extremely creamy, and for me it is also hydrating because whenever I use it my curls tend to remain soft throughout the duration of the style that I installed. And not only that, a little goes a very long way. When I use my leave-in conditioner in the shower, I don't need a lot of this leave-in conditioner, and honestly it is a win because my hair gets even more hydrated with the water that has been added to said leave-in conditioner. So why not enjoy the leave-in conditioner while you're at it? And also, this leave-in conditioner is at a really great price. It is less than 20 Barbados dollars, which is equivalent to less than 10 US dollars. So you have your leave-in conditioner which is affordable, and you have your leave-in conditioner which is also moisturizing to your hair. So it is a win-win. And I have also found out that using this leave-in conditioner, you really don't need a styler unless you choose to add a styler, because I have used this leave-in conditioner to achieve mini twists in my hair, and I know of somebody else who has used this leave-in conditioner on their hair just for mini twists. And when I say that our hair remained moisturized and really defined like you use the curling cream, there's no exaggeration in that. So I mean, it's a win-win situation, so why not? The second leave-in conditioner that I'll be talking about is the Camille Rose leave-in detangling hair treatment, and I adored this product. Using this product, I can see why people gravitate towards Camille Rose, because that leave-in treatment was extremely hydrating. Although it was a tad bit pricier than the other leave-in conditioner that I mentioned, it did a really good job at hydrating my curls, and I managed to keep the bottle for about 6 months. So a little went a really long way. It was sad that I couldn't keep the bottle for any longer. However, I don't regret using this leave-in conditioner, and it's also why it's in my top 3 leave-in conditioners, because it hydrated my hair and it left my hair feeling extremely silky. So why wouldn't you want that in your hair? That is why I have put it in my top 3 leave-in conditioners. This last leave-in conditioner that I'll be talking about is one from Eden Body Works. It is the Peppermint Tea Tree Moisturizing Hair Milk. This product is new to me, but it managed to get in the top 3 leave-in conditioners that I find to be extremely moisturizing. Not only because it actually is moisturizing, but also a little goes a very long way, and it has a tingling sensation on your scalp. It's not overbearing, but you do feel like you're in a spa when you're using this leave-in conditioner. And why not have a leave-in conditioner which makes you feel like you're in a spa. Hair care isn't supposed to be tiring, it's not supposed to be hard work. It's supposed to feel like you're in a spa because it is self-care. So why not put a leave-in conditioner like that in this list? It, like I said, is moisturizing, and I got it for a decent price. I can't necessarily remember the exact price, but it was indeed affordable. And so far it has worked on my hair. Like I said, I use leave-ins in the shower, so I don't need that much leave-in conditioner anymore. So with the drenched hair plus the leave-in conditioner, my hair has managed to remain moisturized whenever I have used the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner. So why not? So this is the end of my quick video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in trying any of these leave-in conditioners, definitely let me know which one caught your eye and which one you are actually going to try. And if you have indeed tried any of these leave-in conditioners, leave your thoughts of the products down below, because we are here to help each other out. And if you're interested in more hair content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And like this video and also share it with someone who's interested in natural hair content and who's also looking for a new leave-in conditioner to try. Definitely send this video to them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.